We all see the bright side of Indian IT, like big glass offices, good salaries, and foreign on-site trips. But behind those smiles, there is another story, a story of pressure, fear, and endless work hours. This is the dark side of Indian IT. This information nobody wants to talk about, but every employee has lived through. The first one is life under pressure. In most IT companies, your day starts with startup calls and ends only when the production issues are fixed. So, mostly your login time at 9 a.m. and sometimes log out at midnight. It can be 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. And some of the IT employees continue their weekends also whenever their project is after deployment or in the project is in the production. So you have to work in the weekend also. Many developers and testers silently burn out. They skip meals on time and work late nights, and still your management asks questions why your task not yet completed. In that situation, many employees are simply replying with smile only. Yes, I will do it. But these people deep down and exhausted. And the second one is layoff fear. So everyone knows nowadays many big companies also they are layoffing their candidates. Even TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL. Even though you could be working well today, but tomorrow one mail you will receive, there is a one mandatory HR call, and if you join that call, within 3 to 5 minutes it's over. They are saying your project is ended, no thank you, no explanation, just a clean exit. So it's not about your performance, guys. It's about cost cutting and automation. And then third one is the skill raise. Every 3 months or 6 months a new technology arises, and you have to upgrade your skill set. But where is the time? When you work 10 hours a day, where do you find energy to study again? Still you fear failing behind. Many employees spend nights watching tutorials, not because they love it, but because they are scared to lose their jobs. And next one is the toxic culture. In some project, the pressure is not just from clients, it's from managers. Unrealistic deadlines, endless meetings, and blame games. If something fails, it's always the developer's fault. People who take leaves are judged. Those who stay late are prized. Politics and fake appreciations are common nowadays. So this kind of a toxic culture is also there nowadays in many companies. And next one is bench life. Many employees are on the bench for months. No projects, no learning, no growth. Every week HR says, we will try to allocate you soon. But after 60 or 90 days, another mail you will receive, your role is no longer required. You realize the system never cared. It only needs you when you are billable. Otherwise, you definitely receive a mail, you are no longer is required. You have to resign yourself. Let's talk about another dark truth, that is nothing but fake experience. Many freshers are unemployed engineers by fake documents because no company gives a chance to beginners. Training institutes sell a fake projects. People do it out of fear of being left behind. And once they enter, they have to fake confidence every day. It's not a talentless people, it's a broken system where real skills is ignored and only years of experience matter in Indian IT industry nowadays. Not only in Indian IT industry, even in the other countries also the same process going on. Another dark truth is mental health crisis. Many tech professionals silently struggle with stress and anxiety. Some cry alone after work calls, some take sleeping pills to calm their mind, and many never talks about it because in IT, mental health is still seen as a weakness. This silence is the darkest part of all. But anyhow, I will suggest you one thing, guys. Everything is not dark in the IT side. there is a growing light. People are learning new skills, starting side projects, freelancing, creating YouTube channels, and building their own startups as well. They are choosing freedom over fear. Some are moving into cloud, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity as well. Others are mentoring the freshers or teaching the online. The message is simple. Don't just survive in IT. Build your identity beyond your employee ID, because your real career starts when you stop living in fear. So this video is not to blame the IT industry, guys. It is to tell every engineering watching. You are more than your job title. You are more than your company. You are a creator, a learner, a dreamer. Never forget that. So that's all, guys, man. I hope this information really helpful to you and you realized some dark truths of Indian IT industry. Not only Indian IT industry, most of the IT companies globally is happening like this one. So if you feel this information really helpful, then like our videos and share to your social networking platform, and I will catch you in the next video very soon. Thank you very much.